Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about green screen and how to remove it. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the green screen itself. Right now I have a piece of fabric, a green fabric, and I put it on two stands and I have it behind me. So to get a good result from green screen, the most important thing is you need to make it as flat as you can so it doesn't have any wrinkles, because let's say for example this part here, it appears kinda black, so this is not as green as this part. So we want to make it as flat as we can so it doesn't have any shadows that affect the removing. Also we want to be away from the green screen as much as we can so it doesn't reflect any light on us. So if I have a light going on the green screen, it may reflect some light on my body here, and this part will be green too, and it will be removed in the filter. Be away from the green screen as much as you can. Also have good light. So the best light conditions that you can have is having two different sources of light, two softbox for example, and one lighting the right side coming at a 45 degrees and one to the left side. And you can also have another one lighting you and separating you from the background, or something like a hair light or something to separate you more. So right now I have one big softbox here and I have another source of light here. So after this we need to crop anything that is not of the green screen here. So crop all the parts that are not green. And also these parts, these wrinkles in the green screen itself, we want to remove it. So let's add some crop 250. It's not perfect, but it's okay. You can also add some color correction to make the green color more prominent and you become more separated from the background. So let's add chroma key. Chroma key, okay. Once you add it, it's going to remove the green color automatically. Right now you see, because these parts are not totally green, because it has some shadows. As you can see, it's not removed perfectly, but it's okay. You can increase the similarity from here. As you can see, now it removes more. Okay, once it starts removing from my body, I'll stop. And let's increase the smoothness. Okay. Now in the preview, it doesn't look bad at all. This is just it. Okay, right now we have like a good result. And we have our green screen here. Now it's removed. If you want to remove other color, if it's, let's say for example blue, you want to select the blue color from here, select blue. If you want to select a custom color, you can select it. Big screen color, select this green, okay, and enable the filter again. Decrease this like this. So you can select any color you want. Let's just keep it to green. Control Z to go back as it was before. Okay, right now this is it. We have some good results. Let's say right now I want to add another background. Take any picture or any video if you want. Let's say I want to add this. Drag it to your OBS. Control F to fit to screen. Now take our webcam, make it above, and let's stretch it until it's full like this. Okay, to the middle. Now we can crop this image. I want it to be in the middle like this. Let's add a filter, crop. Let's take 500 from each side. 5, 5. Okay. So let's make the webcam a little bit smaller. Let's fix the green screen again, the filter, because as you can see right now it's removing a little bit. Chroma key, decrease the smoothness. Okay, right now it's perfect. Okay, right now we have our green screen. So let's group this green screen with the background so we don't move each one alone. Group, select items, group, let's call this face cam. Okay, now we can select the face cam and start moving it alone as one unit, and we can add it here to the side, and we can crop, let's say crop this. Okay, now we have our webcam here. As you can see, just crop it. Now as you can see, I have a totally different background and it's much better. Use this filter, just have any green fabric behind you, make it flat, have good light, and you can have any studio you want. You can also add some effects for the background. Let's say for example add a little bit of blur. So filters, let's add blur. We don't have blur here. I'll show you how to add blur later in the plugins module. So for now, this is how to remove your green screen. We'll continue in the next video and we are going to talk about filters.